guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on my Mazda Miata, and what we're going to do specifically is actually work on my exhaust, because as you can see right here, my exhaust is not in the best condition. I mean, it is all over the place. It is way too low, and I mean that part is lower than that part. I mean, it's kind of crooked. It's not looking good at all. So hopefully we can raise it up a lot, and maybe also we can remove some mufflers today. I don't know, to get some even more sound, but the main objective today is to fix the exhaust so it will look better than this, because it's not looking good. I really want to fix that so the car actually looks half decent. So let's fire it up and go to the shop and fix the exhaust. It'll be a really good day. Also remember to subscribe and like the video, and now let's begin. Let's see if it starts. I mean, I know it will start. It always does, even though it's cold. Oh yeah, no worries. I just realized this is the first time I've actually had the car in the air. I've never looked underneath the car, so let's take a look. It's quite exciting. I know this is not the cleanest Miata in the world, but I mean, what's that? Shouldn't there be something here? I feel like there should be something right here. I don't know. Here we have my tine coilovers. And this is how the exhaust looks. It goes like that into here, and then it goes out there and also out there. So we need to, this unit needs to be fixed a little bit. It is quite tight there, I see. And let's see, we have something right here. Is that a race catalytic converter or something? There is a number, I don't know. And here we have something else. Maybe that's the catalytic converter, I don't know. Yeah, that's homemade. That's not how it should be. So definitely not stock. It's all right. Okay, I think the issue is actually really simple. This was not attached at all. So if we can maybe get that lower part attached there, it will be even higher. So that could be a possible solution, but of course, previous owner or someone has cut up the rear bumper, and that does not help. So maybe we will just get a new rear bumper, I don't know, or remove the whole exhaust. We're going to do that now. Remove the exhaust to just hear how it sounds. Should be pretty simple. Just loosen that. That's it. Just to hear how loud it could be, and perhaps maybe we can just weld on a pipe from there for it to go out here. Maybe that could be a solution. And got that something motorsports exhausts in the back here. It's actually quite clean. I mean, these look good. The fuel lines, the brake lines. Yeah, the transmission is not leaking anything. It's all right. While I have it on the lift today, I also want to paint this, because I mean, this is red, and I do not like that it's red in the front. I don't get why it is that, so I will paint that, and perhaps also the lip. I don't know. All this space. Okay, exhaust is now off. Let us hear how it sounds straight from there. Maybe that will silence a lot, I have no clue. It was a bit louder. I think that's too much, actually. So we will have to fix something with that, or I think so. I mean, we could run just a pipe all the way out and have it at like that, but it is very loud like that.
Da Frank, ta på om du også en tremannsjobb.
Ja. Ja, nice. Hvor var det den her skulle skulle inn?
Holder du?
Ja, jeg holder. Ja, nice. Ja, bra. Ta på den bare. Nice! Sweet! Now the exhaust is actually pretty straight because we got it on. The only issue actually was that we had to get it on the rubber like thing right there, the bottom one right there. We needed to attach that instead of the upper one, so it sits. Let's simply raise it up. So now it's kind of good, and the car is also approved in the registration papers with this exhaust. So I think that's kind of nice. So we're gonna have it like that. So yeah, quite happy. Car sounded really cool without the exhaust, but and I mean it also sounds cool with the exhaust, so we're gonna keep it on. Now we're gonna paint the front lip because that really annoys me, and the red like thing in the front here.
Han jo excuse-valg, han jo...
Ja, det? Ja. Det her ble mye bedre! Well, that turned out kind of good. I see now that the lip also is bluish, so let's just fix that with some paint while we're at it.
Har du venstre?
Ja.
Det? Nå sprayer du dekket. Der?
Ja, og så var det. Det stadig folk som deler TikToker som
Ja. Now we have two coats of black on my front lip and black in there, and I mean instead of red, I mean this looks a lot better. I am really happy. The exhaust is now straight, and I'm really happy about that. I seriously thought that today we would have to like weld the exhaust all over again or something like that, but it only was like a exhaust hanger or whatever it's called. That was the issue, so now it's all good. So yeah, really like that. Only thing that I do not like is that you see so much of the exhaust because of the rear bumper. That's kind of lame, so perhaps I will buy a new rear bumper, I don't know, but either way I'm really happy about that. I don't know if I told you, but I swapped out a fuse the other day and all of a sudden this started working. I mean, never seen like LED stripes on as a license plate light. I think that's kind of cool. Really happy about removing like the Speed Hunters logo right there and actually painting the front lip and painting that, so that's not red anymore. I think that's really cool because now it looks a lot more clean, and the lip actually turned out really good. I mean, let's see if camera, look at this, really cool. I mean, I should have had clear coat with me today. I did not, that was kind of bad, but anyways, it has that like plasticky front lip look now, so I think it's cool. It's better than it was. It was kind of bluish before, so yeah, I'm kind of happy. Really happy about today. The car is getting better and better, and I'm really happy about that, so yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and leave a like if you did, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.